welcome you back again to another video lecture on Python programming. And in this video lecture, we'll go ahead and look at how to get the maximum element in an array. So let's go ahead and kick off immediately. So we'll go ahead and import from random. So from random, go ahead and import random. Alright, so now let's go ahead and say x is equal to 20. It's going to be maximum of 20, and let y be equal to the array. Then let's go ahead and use a for loop and go ahead and say for I in range of x, for I in range of x, then we go ahead and say that y dot append. Alright, so let's go ahead and say y dot append and go ahead and append random. Go ahead and append random, and then we go ahead and print out. Go ahead and print out y of arrays of I and comma 2. Then we go ahead and put a comma. Alright, so let's go ahead and print out round, because we're going to round this. Go ahead and print out round with array of y values of I elements, and go ahead and put comma 2, and then we go ahead and put a comma and end right. Go ahead and close this. Now the next thing we need is to go ahead and print out this. Alright, now to print out the maximum, go ahead and say maxi, let's say maximum is equal to 0. Okay, maximum is equal to 0, and using the for loop, go ahead and say for I in y. So for I in y, we go ahead and use an if statement and check if I is greater than maximum. So if I is greater than maximum, then we go ahead and say that maximum is equal to I, and then we go ahead and print print out maximum. So go ahead and print, and we say the maximum value equal, so the maximum value equal, put a comma, and then go ahead and put round and insert maximum. Alright, comma 2. Then we go ahead and run this code. I believe everything being equal is going to generate random numbers in an array and then print out the maximum of that. So go ahead and check it out. So these are the random numbers it printed out, and 0.92 is the maximum, and that is what is printed out for us here. If you go ahead and run that, it's going to do that for us. Can you see that? 0.96, and that is what we have right there. So that is how you can be able to check out the random numbers, the maximum of the element in a random number in an array. And I believe that is very easy. Go ahead and put the code down on your own system, play around with it, and check out more on that. And in case if you have any question, please go ahead and use the question and the answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.